is Mindy McIntosh Shutter, and I'm going to show you how to care for fall mums in containers. Now, fall mums can be either annuals or they can be a plant that you hope to carry over into the next year. And I'm going to talk about some general care characteristics that you need to do for both. Now, mums require 1 inch of water per week. And a technique that I like to use prior to watering is the finger test. And what you're going to do is you're going to stick your finger down in the soil and you're going to pull it straight up. If your finger comes out caked with soil, and this, while my finger does have soil on it, it's not caked and sticky. So this is an indication to me that this mum needs to be watered. Now, another measure that you can take to try to save your fall mum is to put a 4-inch layer of mulch on top of your mum, and make sure you wiggle that mulch in between the branches of the mulch. That mulch will help protect the root ball in the ground, and hopefully you'll have mums coming up in the spring.